Hi guys and welcome to another video. We are at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025 and we have come to the TVS stall to check this out. Now this is a concept scooter that TVS has come out with. I thought I would just show it to you because this is nothing that you have seen till now on the Indian roads, and I don't know whether this will go into production or not, but still just have a look at it. First of all, you can see full carbon fiber everywhere, but if we start off with the front end, you can see you get these brake caliper fluid containers that look really sick. Plus you have adjustable brake levers right over here and on this side, and you have a guard as well. This obviously signifies that this is a racing scooter. So you have the number 21 on top, then you can see over here X Performance or Performance X, then you have your TVS logo. Again, the front end is complete carbon fiber, and there is a camera over here, if you can see. I don't know what, okay, this says adaptive beam, but anyway, there is a camera over here. So you have there are two pilot lights, plus if you see, this gets a carbon fiber fender, and it also gets these Diablo. So you have slick tires on a scooter, again signifying that this is a sporty scooter. However, this is an electric scooter because there is TVS electric written over here, then there is e-racing, and then it says high performance electric. Well, over here you can see you get a massive, I think this is an 8-inch tab that they have put. This is the switchgear quality for the right hand side, that is the switchgear quality for the left hand side, and this has a 3-piece handlebar and it looks absolutely stunning. Well, however, check this out, the seat is slightly different. Obviously this is a concept, so, and they have hashtag electric future, but very unique concept of a drone that is attached to the scooter. Now I'm assuming that this will shoot you while you are riding or going on a very high pace. This will track you down, something like that. That's your tail light section. There's again one more camera, and check this out, slick tires at the rear as well. Now you have a disc setup right over here, you have this electric powertrain, and then you have this suspension setup that is completely adjustable. You can check over here, it says low compression and high compression, and there is again the letter 21. Again, all carbon fiber finishing on this scooter. So yeah, comment below, how did you like this scooter? If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and ride safe.